This is the laser tube. This is the first reflecting mirror frame. This is the second reflecting mirror frame. This is the laser head. On the top is the reflecting mirror of laser head. On the bottom is a focusing mirror of laser head. The blue one is the laser power supply. The red one is the main board of the machine. Red light switch, test button, engrave button, current regulating knob, current indicator, main switch. Before cutting, we need to adjust the focal length. Loose the screw on the right side of laser head with a wrench. Pull the block stand up. Make the laser head down and touch the block just right. Fix the focal length of laser. Then tighten the screws. Press the main switch to turn on the machine. Machine will reset automatically. Screen film has a layer of glue. The other layer is smooth. Please check which layer has glue with your touch. Ensure the layer with glue facing down. Then regulate the current. Press test. New machine should be regulated in 3 to 4 mA.